So we are here for the NCAA Women's College Field Hockey Series. They don't have men's field hockey. No, men's field hockey is popular, but in the United States, it's not as popular as women's field hockey is. And it's kind of in the NCAA system. It's kind of like a sport that, football is a men's only sport. So field hockey is like a women's only sport. I'm gonna wreck that too soon. We have Long Island University fell to Central Michigan 9-6. Merrimack gets the first lead over Michigan State 7-1. And then on Sunday the 14th, Albany shot Longwood 3-0. Townsend shot Queens 2-0. Ball State beat Lock Haven. Give Lock Haven their 6th loss of the season. They haven't got their first win as a Division I field hockey program. 2-1 in that one. They're in their number 1 Northwestern. Beat Miami, Ohio. Number 20 Miami, Ohio. 5-1. Number 5 Syracuse over Lafayette 5-2. Brown gets their first of the year. 1-0. Ivy League schools do not start at the same time as the rest of the schools do, but that's why they play. Most of them play only 3-4 games. The rest of the schools, a lot of schools, played 6. Some played like 7, 8 matches. So we have number 17 Penn State 5-2 over Kent State. Hofstra in overtime beats Villanova 2-1. Cornell shuts South 2-0. Number 2 North Carolina over number 9 Liberty 3-1. Number 12 Ohio State over Northeastern 2-0. Quinnipiac 3-2 over Columbia. Number 11 Princeton or number 18 Rutgers 1-0 in overtime. In overtime, New Hampshire gives Providence their first loss of the season with a 4-3 victory. Wake Forest 9-1 over New Mexico. Maine 9-0 over New Haven. Keeping New Haven winless. Their first. Looking for the first Division I win. This is Division I feel like remember. Indiana 5-1 over St. Francis. Maryland, number 10 Maryland 1-0 over number 13 St. Joseph's. Boston University upsets number 4 Boston College 1-0. Colgate 4-1 over Long Island University, keeping them winless in the season. Yale gets a win over a top 25 program, 3-1 over Monmouth, number 19 Monmouth. Delaware 3-1 over Bucknell. Richmond 2-1 over Old Dominion. Number 3 Virginia 4-1 over James Madison. Temple 4-1 over Lehigh. Massachusetts number 14 Massachusetts still mean 6-0 with a 3-2 victory over Dartmouth. Number 8 Harvard 2-0 over number 16 UConn. VCU 2-0 over Georgetown. Number 15 Iowa 5-1 over Louisville. Vermont 8-0 over Merrimack. Pennsylvania 2-0 win over American. Number 7 Michigan 3-2 over Stanford. Davidson 5-1 Bellarmine. And Bellarmine is still winless in field hockey for this season. And we get 2025 season. In California, 9-0 win over Ohio. And the game between Holy Cross at Sacred Heart was canceled. Then on the 16th, there is one game. Temple at Drexel. Then there are a bunch of games on Friday here. For the day. And then Saturday there's one. Yeah, Brown. And then Friday and Sundays there was usually field hockey days. Or it is field hockey. There's a lot of field hockey in those 2 days. You can see the schedules for the upcoming week. There's a few games throughout the week, but mainly it's Fridays and Sundays.